Hello. Okay, make sure you have out your toolkit so you can take notes on this today, and we can use those notes tomorrow when we do practice problems in class. So today we're going to talk about simple interest. Now, interest happens two ways. You can get interest by having the savings account. The bank will pay you for having a savings account, or you can have interest taken out of an amount of money if you borrow an amount of money, or if you have a credit card. But in this example I'm going to give you, we're going to talk about earning interest on a savings account. Okay, so when we talk about simple interest, we're talking about interest paid only on the original amount. Only on the original amount. Okay. So let me explain what that means using a table here. Wow, my handwriting is terrible right now. Okay. So imagine I have $100 and I'm getting 2% interest each month. So let's make a little table here to compare how that works. We'll write how many months have gone by, the interest that's been added, and my bank balance, how much is in the bank at that moment in time. Okay, so before any months go by, I put $100 in my account. They haven't given me any interest yet. 1 month goes by, and I'm earning 2% interest. We know 2% of 100 is 2, so my new bank balance is $102. 2 months go by. We're going to calculate interest on the 100 original dollars. So that's $2 more for a total of 104. We'll calculate interest off the original amount again. So in the third month, we'll get $2 more, that's 106. So if you notice what's happening is we're essentially just adding $2 over and over again. When you add numbers over and over again, that's the same as multiplying. So that's where our equation from simple interest comes from. So before we talk about the equation, let's talk about what's going to be in the equation. You're going to see A, which stands for accrued amount, which is basically just the total in your account. And then you'll see P, which stands for principal, and that's your starting amount. Okay? So the equation is your total amount equals your starting amount, and then we're going to multiply that by our original $100 times the rate however many amount of times, because we're just going to take that rate over and over and over again. We're multiplying it. Okay, that's our rate. That's our interest rate. And that's the amount of time. So in this situation, we were doing months, and that's the amount of time that has gone by since we've put the amount in our account. So make sure that you had that all recorded and written down. We'll practice with it tomorrow, and then after that we'll do a different type of interest. Make sure you answer the questions after this as well.